Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mystic Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop. Pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ay isang timeless love reading for you. So, anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. This is also a general reading sa maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung inyong Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality sa gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. So let's see what's going on. Cancer, what's going on sa inyong love life? 5 of Wands, may nag-aaway, papataasan ng ihe, ihe talaga, ng pride. There's some sort of competition. What is this? Knight of Cups, maaring meron kayong away tapos your person wants to make amends. Manunuyo, no? Pwedeng isa sa inyo gustong manuyo or manunuyo pagkatapos ng isang misunderstanding. Page of Swords. May confession dito. Kailangan nyo lang talaga mag-usap. Maari kasing merong natuklasan, no? Na nakatotohanan na nakapagpainis or sama ng loob dun sa other person na pwedeng naging dahilan ng pag-aaway. So, tinan natin yung recent past. Ano yung energy ng recent past ng mga Cancer? 9 of Swords. Oh. Nagkaroon ng mga stressful situation. May mga involvement ng ibang tao nakikialam. Nakikisawsaw sa inyo. Meron ditong overthinker. So, ino-overthink yung relationship. Hindi makatulog sa gabi. Pwedeng dahil sa nalaman or natuklasan na to. What is the 9 of Swords? The Hanged Man. So, in the recent past, meron ditong hindi na naging sigurado sa relationship. Na pwedeng umiiwas, sinasarili niya yung problema niya, sinasarili niya yung nararamdaman niya, hindi niya kino-communicate dun sa other person. And then, eventually, nagkasabihan ng mga sama ng loob. So, pwedeng, yun na yung dahilan kaya nagkaroon ng away. So, ano yung near future? Ano yung near future energy? 5 of Cups. Oh. King of Cups. Medyo to. Yung iba pwedeng mauwi to sa away na tipong pwedeng maghihiwalay. Meron ditong sobrang lalim nung epekto sa kanya nung naging problema eh. I think someone here is verbally abused or yung tipong may mga masasamang salita na natatanggap lagi galing sa kanyang person. So, pwedeng yun yung nakakapagpalalim ng problema, ng away. And someone here wants to wants to understand kung saan papunta yung relationship. Merong sumusubok na intindihin yung other person. So, tingnan natin yung feelings ng person nyo. Ano yung feelings ng person ng mga Cancer? Three of Wands. Page of Pentacles. Someone wants to reach out. So, yung person mo, gusto niya pag-usapan, ayusin, at makahanap ng solusyon sa kung anumang problema na meron kayo. Yung iba kasi rito parang selos. Oo, lalo na if you are long distance yung relationship ninyo, hindi kayo madalas magkita, pwedeng, yung selos sa paligid, no? Pwedeng nagsiselos ka sa nangyayari sa paligid ng person mo. Pwedeng maraming temptation sa paligid niya or maraming nakikialam, yung mga nagsusulsol, ganun. So, let's see your feelings. Ano yung feelings ng Cancer towards their person? The Empress. Oh, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng buntis kayo, kaya part of the hormonal changes yung nagiging emotional kayo. You also have the King of Wands. You love this person, no? Mahal nyo yung person nyo. You may be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or a Taurus or a Libra. Pwede ring Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. You care and you love your person. You have a very passionate feelings towards your person. So, maaring pwede tong magkaroon lang ng break or parang tawag doon, not necessarily separation. Pwedeng magpapahinga lang muna or hindi muna mag-uusap, magpapalamig muna. Oo. Kasi I think your person wants to reach out And ikaw, gusto mo rin ng makapag-usap kayo ng maayos. Pero I think, for you, Cancer, gusto nyo kayo yung mas suyuin. Kayo yung effortan dito sa relationship na to. So, let's see the energy of this relationship. True love. Oh, true love. Memories. O, namimiss nyo na yung isa't isa. Meron naman potential tong relationship na to na mag-progress in the future as long as na yung ang tawag doon yung secure, na-assure nyo yung person nyo that walang dapat ipag-alala, lalo na kung nasa long distance relationship to. Kasi usually talaga selos, overthinking, yan yung nagiging problema kapag long distance relationship So, ano yung feelings? My father is a big influence on my behavior now as an adult. I have challenges with connecting to the divine masculine energy within me and externally. So, pwedeng ang isa sa inyo ay merong daddy issues. Nagkaroon ng trauma sa father figure na pwedeng naka-experience siya ng infidelity sa father niya towards sa mother niya. So, kaya parang lagi niyang naisip na baka ma-experience niya rin yon sa'yo. I'm ready to leave a situation or mindset that has not served me and hindered my growth. Meron talagang gusto magpasuyo dito. Pwedeng nagtitreten yung other person doon sa isa, naaalis na siya. Missing you, pero nami-miss nyo. I miss you, I wish things were different. Alam nyo, kailangan, ang nakikita ko rito ang issue is yung tiwala, no, sa isa't isa. If you really want this relationship to work, you need to trust each other. Kasi kung wala na yung tiwala na yan, mahirap na tong isalba yung relationship. But I think, totoo naman yung love niyo for each other. Meron lang insecure dito sa relationship. This can be you or the other person, kung sino man yung merong issue sa father nila. Act as if your partner is here whether you have someone in your life or not. Act as if they are with you, so you will always consider them. O, para sa mga long distance relationship dyan, importante kasi yung connection ninyo, whether you are nasa distance kayo, whether you are far from each other or not. Kailangan secure kayo sa relationship to make it work. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Cancer. See you again.